Survival isn't just about knowing how to light a fire or build a shelter. It's about knowing where you are and how to get where you need to go. Today, we're diving into essential land navigation skills. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or caught in an unexpected survival situation, mastering these techniques can make the difference between finding your way home and getting lost. Stick around as we cover the most practical strategies to navigate like a pro. The foundation of effective land navigation starts with knowing your tools. A compass and a detailed topographic map are your best allies. Before heading into any backcountry, familiarize yourself with how to read map contours, identify elevation changes, and understand common symbols. Pair this with a reliable compass, and you'll be ready for what's ahead. Lay your map flat and use your compass to orient it north by aligning the compass needle with the map's north. This step ensures your map corresponds with the terrain you're seeing, making it much easier to identify landmarks and plan your route. Pinpointing your location is crucial. Use visible landmarks around you, like mountains, lakes, or large outcroppings, and match them to your map. To be more precise, practice triangulation. This involves taking compass bearings from 2 or more distinct landmarks and drawing lines on your map from these points. Where the lines intersect, that's where you are. Now that you know your location, plan your route using features that act as natural guides. These are called handrails. Handrails can be rivers, trails, or ridges that run parallel to your path. Always include catch points, which are features that alert you if you've gone too far, like a distinct bend in a river or the end of a ridgeline. These help keep your journey on track. Being aware of how long it should take to reach a specific point can prevent disorientation. Get used to pacing. Measure how many steps it takes you to cover 100 meters on different types of terrain. Combine this with a rough time estimation so you'll know when to expect your next checkpoint. To recap, successful land navigation hinges on mastering your tools, orienting your map, identifying your position, planning your route with handrails and catch points, and practicing time estimation. These simple yet powerful techniques can vastly increase your chances of staying on course and finding your way in challenging environments. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to practice them on your next outdoor adventure. Start small with a day hike and gradually build your confidence in more remote areas. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more survival tips that could one day save your life. Until next time, stay sharp and stay prepared.